G'day, I'm Dave from Rain Harvesting, and today we're going to be taking you through the installation of a Leaf Catcha Slimfit rain head. The Leaf Catcha Slimfit is available in a few different sizes to suit your downpipe. These kits might come with adapters. Today we're going to be installing the standard version, but no matter what version you have, the installation process is exactly the same. So the first thing you want to do is you want to choose your installation point. You need to install the Leaf Catcha Slimfit on a vertical section of pipe. And also, you need to take into account that this is a bucket style rain head. So you might want to install it in a place where you can maintain it a little bit more easily compared with a leaf shedding traditional rain head. Another thing to consider is that if you're installing this on a wet or charged system, you want to make sure that your rain head is at least 500 millimeters above your tank inlet. This will allow enough head pressure in the pipes to push the water through your system and into your tank. Now that we've decided on an installation point, we're going to cut our downpipe to match where we're going to put the bottom of the rain head. Now we've made that bottom cut, you just want to check that at this stage that there's no burrs or sharp edges on your downpipe. Next up, we're going to want to cut the top section of downpipe to match the size of our Leaf Catcha Slimfit rain head. I've already cut the pipe here, but the best way to do this is to position your rain head where it's going to sit, and you can size the cut accordingly. You just want to make sure that the top section of downpipe is going to sit just below the top rim of your rain head body. Now that our downpipe's prepared, we can install our Leaf Catcha Slimfit. It's really simple. You don't need glue at any stage of this process. All you do is slide your rain head up the top section of downpipe and lower the bottom outlet into position on the bottom section of downpipe. Just make sure that that top section of downpipe is still sticking inside the rain head body. Sometimes also it's easier to remove the screen to do this step, but that depends on how close or low you've cut your downpipe. If required, you may want to just add some extra screws into the back of the body of the rain head for extra security. So there's 2 holes on the back of the body here to do so. So that's the Leaf Catcha Slimfit. If you'd like to know more, just head to our website.